What if we wanted to delete this part of the video? Okay, let's zoom with the plus. Instead of hitting W on the keyboard or Control K and then deleting this part, we simply you see this red arrow, we click, drag, and then drop till we want, let's say like right here. So we can change the video start and end like this with this arrow key from the end of the video, and even from the start of the video right here. We could do the same. Okay, the next part is how to duplicate a certain part of our video or duplicate anything in Adobe Premiere Pro. We simply, okay, let's click on the video we wanna duplicate, for example this one, and then hit Alt on the keyboard, and while hitting Alt we drag and drop our video like this. So we duplicated this video.